everyone, my name is Ananya Majumdar, a semester 5 student from BM 119 in IMU. Currently, I am running for the position of International Students Representative of SRC Committee for the next term. As international student myself and to be away from home, I can very well understand the various kind of obstacles and challenges that we go through. We all are aware that SRC works for student welfare. So as an international student representative, my motive would be to enhance the potency to work for both international and local students. I would do my best to listen to any issues that anyone would bring forward and try to understand them by their point of view. My main objectives, if I get all of your supports as an international students representative, would be: firstly, promoting cultural integration. In one of the ways I would do this is to organize Ethnicity Day, where both local and international students can enjoy the special days together in a different way. Secondly, setting up stress relief activities, especially during this COVID-19 situation when student gets stressed easily, and by taking this kind of initiative can help them to have mental satisfaction. Thirdly, in terms of career aspects, I would like to conduct interactive sessions and workshops for the international students to ease the transition of different academic sectors. Then, I would like to establish an international student focus portal where students can raise their voice and concerns through a portal, and which will be for the students and by the students. Students can use the portal in different ways: for internship purpose, as classroom finder, for their personal counseling, staff directory, and they can check the visa renewal status very easily. And lastly, some addition to the Global Buddy program, where local students will share their experiences and help the freshers in adapting with new culture and education. They can get help about their accommodation, food, bank account, and places for vacations. So if you would like to see these changes for the betterment, then you could just vote for me in the upcoming SRC election to be your next international students representative. I hope this video will help you to decide in selecting the best candidate. May the best person win, and thank you so much and stay safe.